Hey there, how you doing? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your GetResponse API. This is something that you will absolutely need in order to integrate with other tools when it comes to getting people to sign up to, say, email lists or integrating your GetResponse with tools like ClickFunnels or Thrive or anything like that. So let's get into it. All right, so this is going to be a very quick tutorial because it is actually really simple. Obviously, once you log in right here, as you can see, you just hover up over to the top right there, click on integrations and API. And in doing so, you're going to see all the different things that you can actually link up here, right? These are all your different integrations that you can have on your actual email response account. Which I haven't done yet, but I will get to those. I will create a tutorial for these separately, okay? Now, what you actually want here is the API, and then all you do is click right here, and it'll actually says here, API key copied, and then you go ahead and you put that into whatever it is that you're integrating with this, and then what will happen is you'll end up picking, like, for example, like a list or something along those lines that you want that particular integration to come to. Say, for example, I wanted this to sign up with my email address. So what I would actually do is I would go to my list, and once I put in my API, it'll come up with these 3 different lists, and then I would click them. Say I wanted them to go on the 100 days to retirement list. Then I would click on that, and every single person who signs up with that particular form will come to this list, as you can see right here. All right, so that's basically it. That's how you do your, that's where you find your API key for your GetResponse. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please do subscribe. I plan on releasing one every single week for you so that you can really master how to use GetResponse as an autoresponder tool. It is brilliant. It is great for value. It is why I recommend it to everyone. It is why I've come back to it year after year. I go to try a new tool, and then I come back to GetResponse again and again and again. All right. So hope you enjoyed it. Do me a favor, subscribe and comment on this video, and I will put you in my next free live draw for paid members only training. Yours 100% free if you get into that draw, and obviously if you win. All right. So take care. Much love, and I will see you in the next tutorial.